Okay, so I don't know about you guys, but I'm finding some Japanese grammar to be very difficult to digest. So I'm going to try something new, and we're going to have ChatGPT give us a grammar lesson. Okay, so I asked ChatGPT to give us an easy N5 grammar lesson. So let's go back and get some of the fundamentals under our belt. So this lesson is going to be desu, ja arimasen. Desu meaning is, am, are, and it is polite. Ja arimasen can be translated as is not, am not, are not, and it is the polite negative must form. This pattern is used to state what something is or is not politely. Sentence structure: noun plus des, affirmative polite; noun plus ja arimasen, negative polite. Okay, so here we have some example sentences. I am a student. Watashi wa gakusei desu. This is a book. Kore wa hon desu. That person is a teacher. Ano hito wa sensei desu. So those are all positive forms. I am a student. This is a book. That person is a teacher. And now we're moving on to the negative, the ja arimasen. I am not a student. Watashi wa gakusei ja arimasen. This is not a book. Kore wa hon ja arimasen. That person is not a teacher. Ano hito wa sensei ja arimasen. So now we're looking at casual version often used in speaking. Janai instead of ja arimasen. Example: this isn't a book. So this is casual speech. Kore wa hon janai. Okay, so we have some practice. Translate the following sentences into Japanese using desu and ja arimasen. Number 1, I am a teacher. Number 2, that is not a cat. Number 3, this is a pencil. Number 4, she is not a doctor. Okay, so we're going to go through these one by one. Our first one was I am a teacher. How would you say this in Japanese? Take a moment to think about it, then type your answer. So hint, I, watashi, teacher, sensei. So I believe it's going to be watashi wa sensei desu. Watashi wa sensei desu. This means I am a teacher. You use the correct particle wa and the polite copula des. Great job. Number 2, that is not a cat. And here's some hints for you. Hint, that equals are or ano. Cat, neko. Your answer, are wa neko ja arimasen. Excellent. That's exactly right. That is not a cat. You use the correct negative form, ja arimasen. This is a pencil. Give it a try. Kore wa impitsu desu. Perfect again. Kore wa impitsu desu. She is not a doctor. Kanojo wa isha ja arimasen. Okay, so we got that one right as well. Summary: you did amazing on all of these. Your understanding of desu and ja arimasen is really solid. Let me know how you guys did in the comments. Let me know if you'd like to do more of this style video. I probably am going to go over more of N4 grammar though, because I feel like I have a relatively good understanding of most N5. But let me know how you guys feel about it in the comments. Let me know if I made any mistakes while explaining anything or pronouncing anything, because I don't want to give you guys the wrong information and I am still learning myself. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps me out, and I will see you guys tomorrow.